There's Hannah and Matt going down. Good job, Carlita. There you go.
There you go.
There you go. There you go. Keep going. There you go. Good job. Get your right foot on. There you go. You're almost there. It's like you have 5 more things and that's it. Take that left foot. Are you able to take? Yep, that's it.
Nice.
Big step. Beautiful. Well, she weighs nothing, so it's easy just to pull herself up.
Yes, right.
That's it, honey.
You might have to cross to the right side there.
Oh, so close.
Try putting your left foot where your right foot
Yeah,
is.
left foot right there where your right is.
And then jump.
Do like a foot shuffle.
You gotta push off.
There we go.
Yeah, there you go.
Now put your left foot back up there. Now. Extend your leg more.
Gotta get both your hands where your right hand
Put both hands in your right hand. Put your both hands in.
is. Just sit back in your harness if you want to come down.
Oh, she does. Just jump.
Just kick off from the wall.
Kick off from the wall.
There you
There we are.
There you go.
go. Now kick off from the wall again.
You want to go to the other side? Yep.
Not done yet.
Yep.
What's wrong?
Okay, come on.
Okay, come
Now
on.
you can look.
She did it.
Okay, she's right here.
Tough foothold.
I want to see how she did the first part. I wanted to see how she did the first part.
Well, you can see it now. Well, we have it on video too.
There's nothing there. That's it. That's
There you
it.
go.
Now pull it up. That's it. You're almost there. She's like Spidey girl. That's it.
She is.
There you go. Yeah.
Good job.
Holy cow.
That's it.
And
Keep
the
going.
winner is-
There you go.
You got
You
it.
got it. Woo! Go higher.
What?
Put your left foot on that yellow.
No.
There you go.
There you
Done.
go.
Good job.
Done.